we have Puistokaari, Parksvängen 3. This is buildings 3 and 5. We also found building 5 here. It's in Lauttasaari, Tromsø, close to Koivusaari, Björkvalmen metro station. In Helsinki, it's a Puistokaari, Finland. It's built in 1957. We have to wait upstairs.
Yeah.
There's the attic.
Yeah.
Okay, we can continue now. That's one. That's original.
Yeah.
The original. Go closer. Number is 87118. And it's going to be expected in the next year, 2023, turning 65 years old this year. It doesn't wait there. I love the smell here.
The same. Nu ska titta bak i vänster, men inte bak Kone. I think it's better without light because it is not so dim.
But it was to the downside I had.
Yeah, but
so it was a bit dark.
yeah.
I'll press the ground floor. Okay, that's it then. Thank you very much for watching. And it was the building 5 here as well.
Yeah.
Where also the floor indicates with
That's